So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how I caught a very sweet trade on BTC. Now, let me go straight to the point. This is a 4-hour time frame, right? So as you can see, price has broken structure to the downside here. Price has broken structure to the downside here. So what do we expect? If price breaks this structure up here, then my bias is going to be bullish. But since price came, I could not break this high. So automatically, instead of looking for a buy, I started looking for a sell. So I switched to the 30 minutes time frame, and then I saw this head and shoulder pattern here. As you can see, price was doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And again, this was a high that I was expecting price to take out. But price came, instead of taking out this high, he came and gave us, let me delete this. He came here and gave us head and shoulder, as you can see. Came and gave us head and shoulder. Okay, so what did I do? Now, since price has already given me a reversal pattern, which is head and shoulder, right? I saw an FVG here. Let me delete this. Let me delete all these things here. So I saw an FVG here. As you can see, this is an FVG. There were actually two FVGs. This is one that price had not yet reacted from, and this is another one that price had already reacted from. So seeing this, I waited for price to come back. I waited for like a pullback to this FVG here. Was it on 50 minutes? Let me see. Okay, yeah. So this FVG on the 50 minutes time frame was where I was expecting price to pull back into before dumping. So my entry, I used my Fibonacci tool, right? And instead of placing my entry at 50%, I actually brought it a bit lower, which was here. I brought it a bit lower, which was here. And if I didn't do that, I could miss this sweet setup. Anyway, I brought it down, and then I placed my stop loss just after this FVG. Yeah. Then my initial target was this low, so I was expecting price to take out this low, but I was skeptical. I was scared, to be honest. So I had to put my TP here. What was it? Was it 6? Okay, it was 2.5. Yeah, so I had to put my TP here, right? And then, ladies and gentlemen, after 7 hours, this trade actually lasted for 7 hours. Boom, it dumped aggressively, and it's still dumping. It has taken out the low I marked out, even though I didn't leave this trade here. I left the trade here. Bro, stop complicating trading. Stop complicating this stuff. As you can see, this was just simple price action. No SMC, ICT. I do trade those ones as well when I see them, but this was a very, very, very simple trade, as you can see, and it matched my TP. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. See you in the next video.